Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you that I have decided to add something new to the table of DIY from home crochet. This has come as a result of a lot of generous feedback. I'm now bringing you even more options on how to get your hands on my patterns. Now, you can still get all of my patterns and the tutorials the same way, completely free. I won't be changing that. But now you can also get all of my patterns with no ads on a PDF printable version through my Etsy shop. I've just created an Etsy shop and started converting my patterns to PDF format. The reason I've decided to do this is because I've gotten a lot of feedback from people, and I even ran a poll on my Instagram, and I'm going to be honest with you, it's been close to even to those that prefer to pay for a pattern that has no ads. And a lot of people actually, I didn't even realize, but they like to print off their patterns and have a nice clean hard copy that they can keep on file in their binders or file folders or wherever they like to keep them. But there's also a lot of people that would rather just work off of the website if it means that they're going to get the pattern for free and they don't mind the ads. They get it that the designer's got to get paid somehow. So I've decided to go ahead and make sure that this is a true win-win situation. So for those of you that would prefer to purchase a pattern and have a printable PDF version, clean copy with no ads at all whatsoever, you can now get that on my Etsy shop. There's a link in the description below, and I do offer links throughout each of the pattern pages that are offered on Etsy. Right now, I actually have my very reasonable priced patterns on sale for 50% off. So go ahead and have a look at what's currently available, but don't forget to keep on checking back because it's going to take me a little bit of time. They're definitely not all uploaded right now. There's only about 4 or 5 currently available, but have a look. Just take a look at the description in the link below, and it'll take you straight to my Etsy shop where you can see what's currently available. I've also got some hooks for sale on there that I've been really loving to use, and I thought, why not go ahead and sell some of those too? I've had a lot of people that have given me beautiful feedback. I truly appreciate people taking the time to let me know what they love about what I offer through DIY from home crochet and what could be better, because let's be honest, nobody's perfect, and we could all grow from some constructive criticism and helpful feedback. So I hope that you can appreciate my efforts here in making sure that you get the experience that you love. Take care and have a great day.